Hey, alright, well, I got another video from the kitchen. I was going to try to do it outside, but it's getting dark out there and just didn't make it in time because I got a video that I was editing over there. It's rendering now, so like, hey, why not knock this one out while I can. This is a response to an open tag from not only Eat Carbs Outdoors, but Harshman Hills. Check out their channels. This was an open tag like months ago. I'm so far behind. And it is show us your orange knife. So I'm going to also extend this open tag to anybody that wants to. Hey, show us your orange knife. My orange knife is a Hultafors GVK. Yeah, I got some specs over here that I'm going to be cheating with. This is made by, well, Hultafors. They are a Swedish company. Let me double check that real quick. I should have had this right, right up front since I like Hultafors. This is so unprofessional. Come on, no cookies. Hultafors, I want to say they're Swedish. Blah, 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 blah. Hultafors group. Blah, blah, blah. Where? I feel terrible. I feel terrible, but hey, Hultafors does make also a bunch of different tools as well, and other knives as well. This doesn't actually say on here where it's from. That's crazy. Where is Hultafors made? There we go. Okay, yeah, they are Swedish. I was right. Alrighty, so my favorite Hultafors is actually the green GK, but this is the HVK. It is 208 millimeters long, which translates into 8.1898 inches long overall length. It says it is a Japanese steel, carbon steel, 58 to 60, I believe, HRC, yeah. But from my understanding, the steel is SK5, which I think is actually rebranded now, but it's still SK5 in my heart. Anyway, its spine, not like a super sharp spine, but sharp enough to throw a spark from a ferro rod. So, I wish I could go outside and show you some stuff, but it's too dark. I should have brought stuff in. My bad. Maybe I can shave a spot on my arm. Maybe we could do that. Get some knife stuff done. Yeah. You see it? Yeah, there we go. Right there. See? Still sharp. Still sharp. I like Hultafors. They're a competitor to Mora. Or maybe not even a competitor. Maybe like a cousin to Mora, but I like them over Mora. Moras are great, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I like Hultafors. Anyway, show us your knife, everybody. Open tag. Show us your knife. Check out Harshman Hills and Eat Carbs. Take it easy. Have a good one.